it out. Well, Jenny grew up wild like a Blackfoot daisy, out in the shack with the blue tick hound. Broke as hell, but blessed with beauty, the kind that a rich man can't turn down. She caught the eye of an oil man dancing, worked on her night in a dime store jail. She had the looks, he had the mansion, and you can figure out the rest. It was all roses, dripping in diamonds, sipping on champagne. She was all uptown, wearing that white gown, taking this last name. She could hear those church bells ringing, ringing. And up in the loft, that whole choir singing, singing. Hold your hands and close your eyes, yeah, it's all gonna be alright. And just listen to the church bells ringing, ringing. Yeah, they're ringing. Jenny was hosting junior league parties and having dinner at the country club. Everyone thought they were Ken and Barbie, but Ken was always getting way too drunk. Saturday night after a few too many, he came home ready to fight, and all his money could never save Jenny from the devil living in his eyes. It was all